Let us get right into setting up your downloads in Google Chrome so you have total control over where your files end up on your computer. Right now, whenever you download an image, document, or program from the web, Chrome usually handles it automatically or prompts you with a menu. We are going to look at how to customize that prompt, known as the Save Location dialog box, so you can either select a destination manually every single time or skip the pop-up windows entirely to speed up your workflow. To get started, open your Google Chrome browser on your desktop computer and look up at the top right corner of the screen. You will spot three vertical dots, which open up your browser settings menu. Click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down toward the bottom of this list until you see the settings option, then click it. This opens your main system preferences page. Look over at the pane on the left side of your screen. You will see a vertical list of categories like privacy, appearance, and search engine. Find the option labeled downloads and click on it. Now, look at the main center section of your screen. At the very top, you will see an option that says ask where to save each file before downloading, accompanied by a small toggle switch on the right side. If that toggle is turned on, a dialog box will pop up every single time you click a download button online. This pop-up allows you to rename the file before it saves and pick a specific folder like your documents, desktop, or external hard drive. If you toggle this switch off, that pop-up window will never appear again. Instead, Chrome will automatically download every single file straight to your default directory without stopping to ask you first. Now, the trade-off here is important to keep in mind. If you turn this feature off for the sake of speed, you lose the ability to organize your files on the fly. Everything will clutter up in one single folder, meaning you will have to manually move or rename files later on. However, if you leave it toggled on, your downloading process takes an extra click every single time, which can get annoying if you download dozens of files a day. Right below that toggle switch, you will also see your current default download location. In my case, it is set to the Downloads folder on my local drive. If you decide to disable the prompt, make sure to click the change button right next to that path so your automatic downloads land somewhere convenient. And that is all there is to it. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.